Happy Friday, y'all. We're here in Galesburg, here on a Friday for the Galesburg Railroad Days event. So, currently right now, a Leffen oil train just went through here, a BNSF one went through here. So, it was a westbound, probably heading into the yard of Galesburg or probably heading to like one of the subdivisions or whatever. To Burlington, Iowa. There's another one that takes you to Quincy, Macomb as well. So today we're here Railfanning on both the Chillicothe and the Mendota up here at Pep Park in Galesburg. So this weekend is the Railroad Days event festival happening here in Galesburg. So Saturday and Sunday, or next 2 days, we want to come out here to Galesburg. So currently right now we're waiting for a train to come by right now, and also we'll see Amtrak's California Zephyr, possibly the Southwest Chief or the Illinois Zephyr come through here as well. Last time we saw both three of those trains, it was back in April in Princeton on the Mendota sub. So sit back and enjoy some trains here from Galesburg. 6703. BNSF 6703 6922 7105. First one today on the Chillicothe. Seven 7863 7262 and 5138. I was gonna go look at the signal on the Mendota, but I didn't realize there was a westbound coming on the Chillicothe. Second one on the Chillicothe, second one full today in Galesburg. Having trouble getting this umbrella. Having trouble getting the umbrella on hook. I want to go check see what track. Amtrak 5, California Zephyr should be here. Oh, another Railfanning Texas. Should be here in 3 minutes. We only got 3 minutes till Amtrak 5 gets here in Galesburg. This is our second one. And it's an intermodal.
Then was expected to stop at 45 minutes. Today, the first stop by 6 p.m. And then tomorrow, because we might get a thunderstorm starting at 11 p.m. Then again at 1 p.m. Then to 1 a.m. Excuse me, 2 a.m. But then by sunrise, it's just supposed to be cloudy and then the sun's supposed to be
no matter how long this train lasts or how long it's going to be, we'll go check. We'll go check the Amtrak. We'll track Amtrak 5 coming after this train. And then I'll probably video. There'll probably be another video once he comes through the Mendota sub bypass right here on the Mendota sub. So right now it's still raining, but it's supposed to stop somewhere around 5. And then probably we'll do some railfanning, and I'm probably gonna go check out what's downtown Galesburg for the Railfanning Festival. Well, in the meantime, let's enjoy the whole train. And 176 Amtrak. Just arrived in Galesburg. It's the California Zephyr. Train number 3 on the Chillicothe and train number 4. Got another intermodal one. So possibly Southwest Chief 3 would be here. Southwest Chief.
They supposedly sent them an email saying, hey,
got a manifest train here and coming out of the yard in BNSF. We switch locations now. Now we're at the Amtrak station in Galesburg, right here. This is the Amtrak station here in Galesburg. I'm going to show you guys. Here it is, Galesburg, Illinois. And here we got 720, the Warbonnet BNSF locomotive. It has Santa Fe. It's a dash 944 CW. And there's the rail cam, virtual rail cam, live there on Galesburg if you want to check out live as well. And we are going to wave at it. And we got some yellow, I think it's, so I believe on this line, the Southwest Chief should be here any minute. So we got, and I think we have another freight train on the way over there. We got another one. So we got a double yellow over there on those signals on BNSF. And we got a yellow right here, so that means Amtrak Southwest Chief, Amtrak number 3, the Southwest Chief from Chicago to Los Angeles should be here any moment. Got some rail fans here for the Railroad Days event, and I'm gonna go wave to the rail cam in Galesburg. Here comes the Southwest Chief, train number 3, from Chicago to Los Angeles. Here we go. Track 148. Try one last picture of the Southwest Chief. Coach and Superliner. take that green signal, but there's a yellow signal, probably a yard switcher coming out of the yard. BNSF train coming from the yard. So he's probably got to head to out by Cameron on the Chillicothe sub switcher to hop on the Chillicothe sub to head to Fort Madison. This train would be probably the next 3 days would be in Los Angeles, California. So this is the second Amtrak train we caught. Last one was the California Zephyr. Freight train to go by it, unless he has to wait for the Southwest Chiefs train from Chicago to Los Angeles. Happy safe travels. And happy railroad days here in Galesburg. We got another one coming west. Whoa. We got another one coming west. We got another one coming. There's like some headlights over there. We got another one coming. Yeah. It's probably gonna come through that track. Four, 5, 1, 3. I had to get a picture of it. I had to get a picture of the chart. That's phase there's nothing else coming east, isn't there? Got some safety protocols. So I think some cities do that. They'll put the gates down even though there's a train coming for just safety. Safety measures and all that. Probably safety measures. We got this one, and we got another one on the way, and that's a BNSF train. Just stop over there. I don't know what he is. He's probably waiting. I'm guessing he's waiting for this train to go by. I think that's still one. It's still up there. I'm guessing he hasn't left.
I don't know.
Well, he already left, but there's another one over there. Just waiting to leave. That's a no-no. That's a Warbonnet. 4716. Got something coming, has its lights on. What is that? the yard switcher. They do night duty. Doing his night duty. Welcome back.
I think you got the Warbonnet then too.
Yeah.
Train on that track. It looks like.
So.